Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the features of the TIQLAB Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk, a versatile addition to any home or office workspace. This modern, rectangular desk boasts a sleek white frame with a maple top, offering a stylish yet functional design. With its height adjustable from 28.3 to 47.2 inches, you can smoothly transition from sitting to standing, thanks to its powerful lift system that operates quietly and efficiently, lifting up to 176 pounds at a speed of 25 millimeters per second. Assembly is a breeze with step-by-step instructions and a specialized L-shaped Allen wrench included, ensuring you can set it up in just 30 minutes. The desk's spacious, scratch-resistant surface is perfect for all your office equipment, providing a comfortable and productive workspace. Plus, its ergonomic design promotes healthier posture and reduces strain, making it ideal for long hours of work or study. Experience the perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality with the TIQLAB electric standing desk, and elevate your work habits to a new level. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.